If I were to listen to most of the people offering me advice in the amateur radio community, most of the portable power projects you see on the channel would never have been produced. I've been told time and time again the batteries are too heavy and you can't power your portable ham radio station with solar power for very long. I'm happy to say I stopped listening to those people and started experimenting and building something that was useful in the field. I know this video is like putting the horse behind the cart, but I need to get the other projects done and the videos produced before I published this video. This is the kickoff video for the Portable Power for Amateur Field Communications series. What you're watching me do right now is use my Android tablet with Droid PSK and a Wi-Fi link connected to my Yaesu FT891, sending out an HF APRS beacon using my PowerFilm solar panel and a 10 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery pack you see in the upper left corner there to power the Yaesu FT891. Now, even though I've already done the research, I've designed the battery packs, I've built the battery packs and published the videos on them, I've acquired the solar panels and deployed them out in the field, there are still those operators who will tell you what I'm doing with off-grid portable power for ham radio is impossible. If you've been with the channel for a while, you've already seen the journey and you understand this video, but if you're new to the channel, then I need to do some explaining. This is my 10 amp hour, 128 watt hour lithium iron phosphate battery pack with integrated Geneson charge controller. This was the most recent battery build we did on the channel, and definitely not the last one. Despite claims to the contrary, this battery pack is powering a 100-watt radio, the lights in my field station, my laptop, and everything else I need when I'm out man-portable in the field. This is definitely the QRO battery pack. The other end of that battery pack is connected to the 120-watt PowerFilm FM1670-200. That light bulb should be going off just about now, and you're thinking, oh, yeah, that ties it all together. Now, before we built the QRO battery pack, we built this QRP battery pack. This battery pack is a 5 amp hour 4S 2P A123-26650 based battery pack using a 5 amp Geneson charge controller. I designed this pack to handle up to 10 amps, so it handles the FT817ND, the QRP-VER 10 watt amplifier, and my laptop. On the other end of that pack, we have the PowerFilm FM16-1200. Now, that's not to say you have to use these PowerFilm panels. I'm simply showing you how I've achieved the goal of off-grid portable power for amateur radio. Now, I think I should offer you a quick explanation on my choice of solar panels, batteries, charge controllers, and the associated components. The simple truth is, at 65 degrees north, I have absolutely no chance with cheap, delicate components. It's not that I don't want to use them, but I need to use components which match the conditions or can manage the conditions that I live in. From experience, I've realized I can't afford to keep replacing cheap components when they break in these conditions. So the conditions I live in drive my component choices. So, this entire video is about tying everything together. Everything I've produced on off-grid portable power for ham radio, you'll find in the description. You'll also find some playlists that I've created which are related to off-grid portable power, and those playlists also include videos which are unlisted on my channel. So please have a look at all the content I've produced on off-grid portable power and share the heck out of it, because it's simply not getting out there. And that just about brings us to the end of the video. Look guys, if you like what I'm doing, if you like the content I'm creating, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up. And if it's not too much to ask, please share this video with someone or somewhere where people might enjoy it. Rock and roll guys. Thanks for watching. Ciao.